still tired from last night. Concert was amazing. Now we're on a long journey to Littlefield, Arizona. And we got a Spartan race to do. I hope I'm ready for this. All right, we made it here. Dude, how you feeling?
I want to race.
Oh, he's ready. All right, be back in a minute.
2 hours later.
Finished the race. And my brother finished the race also. Well, I didn't go all out. It was more of taking my brother through the course, giving him baby steps. So, how does it feel to finish your first Spartan race?
Nah.
He likes it. And oh, our mom's on the phone. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi. Yay. On our way out.
It was good.
It was about 2 hours.
We had to carry the bucket.
But yeah, he struggled. But
it's like hell.
he did pretty good. I'm proud of him.
No,
But I was gonna fly my drone again, but wind's kind of picking up and it's running late. But it's his first time. I hope he's gonna do more, so I can come back to Vegas every year. That'll be awesome. And yeah, I didn't get my GoPro stuff, so couldn't videotape it, which sucked. But got some pictures right here.
Hello, everybody.
Hope you guys like it. So, would you do this race again with me?
Yes.
All right, I have an excuse to come back to Vegas again. Okay, now we're going back to the hotel and shower off and eat. The pretty horses.
Wow.
Back at the hotel, just showered up, got my new Spartan gear. I got more of it. I bought, spent too much money, wasn't supposed to, but whatever. Now I'm gonna get something to eat. But first, after a long day at the race, he is up, but he is still sleepy. Right, man, we gotta go get something to eat. I'm hungry. Let's go. Let's go, man, come on. Alright, we're over here eating McDonald's food. We just getting some appetizers, but we're eating at a different place. Show you what's hungry. Show you what kind of food that we're eating. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Alright, so here's what we're eating. We got the shrimp wrapped in bacon. We got the trash can nachos. These are really good. And we got the tuna tacos. Alright, dig it in. Try this out. Morning. Finally got out of the hotel. We didn't do much last night. We were supposed to go eat at Wicked Spoon, but this guy was hurt. Tired from the race, so we just stayed in and got some pizza. But Now we're here at Henderson. We're about to go eat truffles and bacon. This is gonna be my second time, but it's gonna be the first time my brother's taking me, so we're gonna have to wait. Let's wait. Okay, my brother's digging in this spam fries. Try digging this too. Not bad. Fried spam. Much on this until we get the rest of the food. So I got this T&B signature burger with some sweet potato fries. My brother got the Not Your Mama grill. Now we're about to eat. Take a bite out of this. Take a bite out of this thing. Oh. Look at the juice is falling. This is gonna get messy. Change my mind. I'm gonna eat this with a fork. I'm so disappointed in myself. I usually don't do this, but I still got food left. I usually eat it all, but for some reason I'm full. But my brother's almost finished eating his.
Number one.
With the finger, not the thumb.
Very good.
Oh, I like that rhyme. Bars. That's actually pretty good too. Plaza, Las Vegas jerky. Gotta pick up some things to bring back home. Show you what it is. There it is. Now, how many I should bring back?
A few moments later.
So I came out with a lot. I bought 12 of them. Because I don't know when the next time I'll be back in Vegas. Wait, I'll be back in May. But, yeah, I just bought 12. Let me show you what else I got. Okay, so while I was up here, I got a couple stuffs. Clothes. Here's what I got. First thing I got is this Nike thermal fleece right here. Pretty nice. It was comfy. Good for walking around when you're cold. Lately it's been cold in Hawaii. So I've been using a lot of jackets. I have too much jackets. Most of you know that I went to the Justin Timberlake. They got me this shit right here. There. Down at the Woods store. All the places that we went to. And then got this hat. I like the design on it, it's pretty nice. Might be an everyday hat for me. Hat collection. Yeah, that's that. And I also did the Spartan race. I got the finisher shirt and this medal right here. The medal right here. This is the sprint. They also come with this pie. So when I get the trifecta, the super is a blue one and the beast is a green one. It also comes with one out of 3 piece pie. So if you get all 3 of them, that's because you're considering the trifecta. Yeah, all of that. It's at the race. I got this shirt. Blue color. It's pretty nice. It also exposes my nipples that are always hard. 24 hours, 365 days of the year. Also bought me this. I like it. It feels really comfortable. Fits my chest. And I also got this Spartan race shirt, sleeveless hoodie. This is pretty nice. Cut sleeve. When it's hot, I can just run this, but I'll have worker's tag. But I enjoyed the Spartan race. Definitely gonna come back next year. And my brother's gonna come back also. But this time, you're gonna have to keep up with me. I am not gonna slow down. Now, I gotta get packing because today's will be my last day. But first, we're gonna eat at Best Friends. Alright, we're running late. We're about to have dinner. We're at the Park MGM. It's pretty nice, and we're about to find this restaurant that I always want to try because of YouTube. Yep, I am eating at Best Friends. Alright. dumplings, 686. Oh, and it's got the garlic chicken. That's still sizzling hot. The cow beef that is also sizzling hot. Ready to dig in? Alright, let's dig in. Alright, about to dig in. Alright, chicken's good. Probably looks good. Woo! I'm digging right now. Fried rice is so good. I'm gonna have to get another one. Saddest part of the trip,
Ladies and gentlemen,
is always
I didn't believe in Manny's sister could not be stopped by it.
Is he a man?
see you in 2 months.
Back to the animal.
Yep, 2 months.
A monster that lies within each of us. Looks like the work of a wild